Okay, so now we have the new Superleggera DBS. And that's probably just sitting here with everybody walking past. Wow.
How much is this though? What's this one about?
225 list. You won't see many below 250. He doesn't like it.
I don't like the way it looks. I don't like the grill. I don't like the paint on this one. I don't like the fitment of the rear compared to the side style. I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Don't like it.
Oh dear.
I think that's official.
I don't like it, he says.
Like,
I do like it. I think it's...
I don't like that. I don't like... Was
It's
there an angle in the wheel?
aggressive.
I don't like that.
Yeah, but that's to get the air out, isn't it? So they call that the curler cube. That's right. So it takes the trapped air from the wheel arch and pours it down.
Yeah, I don't like it.
You spend all Sunday morning with a toothbrush trying to get all the flies
I would
out.
much rather have a DB9.
Now you're being a bit mean here, because you know I want one. Oh no, it's a big car, Chris.
And it's long.
And it's a long car.
Don't get me wrong, it's probably, as a car, it's probably phenomenal. It's probably an unbelievable... Oh, no, not again.
It's ever so wide and it looks so
It's ever so long.
Yeah, but you know, for a man... But for a man that drives a Panamera, it's quite compact in my opinion. Yeah. But they've on the DB11, they've widened the arches, front and back, and I think that just looks carbon fibre roof.
The fact is, it's probably an amazing car.
So we have the new DBS Superleggera. Obviously got carbon ceramics, carbon fibre roof. It's got the Aero 2 package on the back, which apparently adds 150 pounds worth of downforce. I think it's very... I mean, Harry is not sure about it at all, in fairness to him. But I think it's stunning. Perhaps my only reservation is the fact that they've gone away from the winged identification moniker on the back to having written Aston Martin. That's essentially for the American market, because people don't know what Astons are, but my personal opinion is that an Aston Martin is an Aston Martin, and if the Americans are not clever enough to know that this is an Aston Martin, they probably don't deserve one. Excuse me.
Sorry, right? No problem.
Yeah, it's very DB11 inside, without a doubt.
Push button to play.
I'll drive.
It's only been out 2 weeks.
Yeah, well, yeah, so we've announced it 26 June.
Very smart.
Looks great, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.